Hi guys, welcome to Chemistry Through Baking. My name is Natalie and we will be making edible cookie dough. You will need 1 cup of flour, half cup of brown sugar, half cup of butter, 1 tablespoon milk, half teaspoon vanilla, and half teaspoon of salt. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. For the base dough, evenly spread flour out on a baking tray and bake for 5 minutes. Again, that is 1 cup of flour. In a large bowl, mix your half cup of brown sugar, half cup of butter. In this case, the butter was still hard, so make sure you microwave it for about 30 seconds to soften it. Then, add in your half teaspoon of vanilla. Then, half teaspoon of salt. And then add in your 1 cup of flour. Your mixture should look like this. Now evenly mix your mixture. Refrigerate mix for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take your cookie dough and sprinkle in a few chocolate chips. I also melted some and drizzled it on the top. If you noticed, we did not use any eggs, and we heated the flour, which is unusual for a normal cookie dough that you would bake. Since we are eating the cookie dough and not the actual cookie, we need to make sure it is safe to eat. To heat flour is to apply heat to raw flour in order to reduce potential pathogens. Well, what is a pathogen? A pathogen is any organism that causes disease. Viruses, bacteria, fungi, and parasites are all examples of pathogens. And these are the 4 types of pathogens. They can cause minor or severe health issues, which, when they enter your body, can be really harmful. Each of these pathogens includes a variety of subtypes that are responsible for a wide variety of infections or diseases. Since there are 4 types of pathogens, I will be drawing each. This is what a parasite looks like. Fungi structure kind of looks like bamboo, but in reality, the structure is just a bit different. This is what a virus looks like. And this is what a bacteria looks like. There are 3 kinds of bacteria. An ingredient we didn't add is egg. Eating raw eggs also comes with a small risk of salmonella, which is food poisoning. Salmonella is an infection with Salmonella bacteria that causes diarrhea, fever, and stomach pains. Salmonella bacteria typically live in animal and human intestines. Humans become infected most frequently through contaminated water or food. In this case, it can be raw eggs. Salmonella bacteria looks like this. Going back to the video, now that you have added your chocolate chips, enjoy! Make sure you give this video a like and to subscribe for more. Have a great day!